Hello everybody, Acre of Love Homestead here. My name's Kimberly and welcome back to the channel. Today it's later in the afternoon. I finally got back from vacation and I was gone for vacation for 4 days and I want to see what there is for me to pick. Now, I am doing this in the heat and if my phone dies, I'll have to go inside and charge and we'll start all over again. But we're gonna see, we're gonna start out here with the cucumbers and the green beans once again. I'm pretty sure they're getting ready to die out, which that's fine. I have some more planted on the other side. Let me see if I can get y'all sit down here. But this right here is, come on. Doesn't want to cooperate with me today. Come on. Cooperate here. Hopefully y'all will be able to see what I pick. We always start our garden videos out here with the wax beans and the green beans. Still haven't got enough yet accumulated to can anything. Maybe we'll see after today what exactly we're gonna get here. Whoops. These green beans and wax beans putting off some more blooms, so hopefully we'll get some more stuff off of them. I know my cucumbers are on their way out. That one will probably be fed to the chickens. Yeah, we'll feed that one to the well, here, we'll throw it over there to the other tiny chicks. Like I say, this right here, cucumbers here are on their way out. They're done for. They've been here since before Easter, and I don't blame them. It's hot, it's getting hot. Our Texas weather is pretty bad here. Doesn't matter how much y'all water, everything looks like it's about ready to be done with. But that's okay. I mean, I'm sure the squash bugs are getting them too. I just seen one run by. Well, we got a few wax beans off of those. We didn't get very much, but we got a few. I'm gonna have to come out here and I watered this morning. I might have to come out here and water again tonight. I don't necessarily like doing this in the heat. I should have waited till this afternoon to do this. I was trying to wait till the afternoon, but decided to come on out here. May have to do this video in pieces because it is super hot still. That ground is not level right there. Come on, will you stand up, you crazy thing? I got a new stand and I got a new mic. And it's hard to figure out the two. Great big cucumber. We'll use that in some cucumber water. Keep us hydrated here. There's a little cucumber down there. Yeah, I won't be surprised if these cucumbers don't make too much more. Which I'm fine with that. Cucumbered out. Giving so many cucumbers away. We've eaten a whole bunch of cucumbers. We've canned pickles. Just kind of cucumbered out, I guess. There's another one right there. Gave a whole bunch of them to my neighbor because her garden didn't do very well this year, so I gave her a whole bunch of stuff this year. Tomatoes, cucumbers, jalapenos. Sharon is Karen. Got some big cucumbers on here. I mean, green beans on here. Yeah, I just seen another squash bug too. Maybe I'll finally be able to can one jar. It's alright, I got my other ones in the front planted. My bush lake beans. Hopefully we can get some beans off of those. Honestly, I'm thinking about just going ahead and ripping out them cucumbers and letting these green beans take hold better. That might be ideal. Well, there ain't nothing on that one. Now I tell y'all, I put this one up. I told y'all last time I put this one up in this thing right here, tomato cage, and it hasn't given me any green beans. I don't understand that. Think about just taking it out of there. I'm just gonna take it out. See what happens. Oh, a little parrot. Oh no, it's 2 males still. The little doves are back. But I'm pretty sure that's 2 males. Now, I'm gonna take y'all over here to the other stuff that I got planted over here. Planted these a few weeks ago. Hey, y'all better not be eating my watermelons. Get out of here. Go. Get out of here. Better not picking at my watermelons. Go. So I got a watermelon here. Oh, I got a little tiny one here. And then I got this bigger one here. I can keep them chickens away from it. Maybe it'll actually grow. And then there's a little bitty one right there. So I got, oh, there's another one right there. I didn't see that one. Whoop. Way down in there. So I got some watermelons growing. We'll see if the chickens don't start pecking at them. Them baby chickens, I can't catch them to put them up. They're annoying. But this is the other 3 plants of cucumbers that I have. We'll see if they take off. I don't care if they don't. This right here is a test dummy area. It's another one. These right here are my loofah gourds. Can't really tell what they are. They ain't getting very big, I'll tell you that. You must not like it over here. And these are our pumpkins. See, they need some more water apparently. I came out here this morning and I watered this morning. These are our jack-o'-lantern pumpkins, which for some reason these down here are bigger than the ones down here. Maybe they get more sun or something, don't quite know. Whatever this was, she never gave anything. Volunteer plant. Never gave anything. Volunteer tomato over there, she never gave nothing. Blackberry bushes are still doing good. And I got a watermelon over here too. And I didn't intentionally plant this plant. But there's another one. Maybe we'll get a few more. Maybe there's some more hiding down in there in that grass. I'm not going in there to find out with Crocs on. Now, I had some volunteer corn start. First, I thought these were just thicker stalks of grass. No, they got corn on them. Little corns. There's one. I know, ducks, what's wrong with you? I done changed your water, you got it all nasty again. Ducks are nasty, nasty. I see another cucumber as I'm walking back up here. Right there. Yeah, I might accidentally just rip these out and let them green beans and stuff take hold. I need to get my small lawnmower. Well, I need to get it fixed. It's not fixed at the moment, so I can cut in between there, but that doesn't really matter. I'm not gonna, next year that whole area is getting changed anyway, so it ain't really gonna matter. Let's go to the front now. I have my little basket. I left all my other baskets at work with cookies in them. And might have to make a couple of trips to drop off stuff. Because I don't know where my other big basket, well, like I say, it's at, I have another one, but I think my neighbor has it too. Rabbits are doing good. We're fixing to, I'll do a rabbit tour. I'll do another one because I'm getting ready to separate out some more rabbits. It's about time for them to go. That one mama rabbit, I need to separate out her babies, but I got to separate male from female. And separate those out. That way that we can get our grower pen going. I want to show y'all my beautiful hibiscus plant. So, this right here, ain't she pretty? Some big old flowers on her. That one. This one. This one's already wilting. So I was on vacation whenever all these started opening. I knew I was going to miss it. There's still plenty on there that I get to see. The roses over here are doing good. I had to move that one. I think this one's not going to make it. This one hasn't opened yet. Yep, that's our flowers. I do have an update about the building. We did get the electric in. At least half of the building of the electric is in. We need a few more parts to get the rest of it. So after they come and put all the electric in, or finish it. I think he has 3 more plugs he needs to put in. We're going to have it enclosed on the inside, and hopefully we'll be opening it here pretty soon, I hope. Everything's doing good over here still. For me being gone for 4 days, my son watered. I am going to come through and probably pick all of these jalapenos, because I'm pretty sure these are getting ready to be on their way out too. This thing is supposed to grow some kind of bean. It's like a flower. Supposedly it's good for the bees. Pretty sure I've already said that before. Here lately our videos just kind of been the same. Now before I left, I did pick a bunch of tomatoes, and I gave those to my neighbor. They were the big slicers. Today we don't have very much to pick today. See, like some of these plants, I'm pretty sure they're getting ready to be on their way out. That Texas heat just getting to them. Probably gonna have to come over here and pick some bell peppers. And these marigolds are just, they get so tall. These are all marigolds. I don't know what is going on there. Habanero. Oh, got a little habanero on it. Got a couple of them. I don't know if you can see that. Little habanero there. Got one down here. Come on, focus. There we go. We have some stuff that we need to pick today. Not too many tomatoes. That's okay. About pasted out. But we're going to come over here. We're going to check on our Blue Lake beans. I planted these in these epic grow bags, and they're doing really good. I planted some of these birdhouse gourds in here. This one, which was way over here earlier. And those are doing really good, especially this one. And then these. So hopefully these green beans are gonna come up. Pretty sure a Blue Lake bean is a green bean. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure that's why I planted it. Actually, I think I'm gonna wait until this afternoon to pick these, because it is still kind of hot out here. But I gotta get my garden snack. Garden snack. Okay, everyone. Yesterday, whenever I edited whenever I started my second half of my video, so my mic didn't turn on, and you can't hear a word that I'm saying. So I'm gonna cut that part out, but I do want y'all to end with something. So I thought that I would just bring in my stuff and kind of separate it out and just let y'all see kind of what we did harvest, and maybe what I'm gonna do with them. So this right here are all the jalapenos that we picked yesterday. Oh, there's a tomato. So these are a whole bunch of jalapenos. There's different variety jalapenos. And then our tomatillos that we got. And then our tomatoes here. And these right here, I'm probably just going to freeze these. I'm going to cut the bell peppers up, and I'm going to put them in the freezer also for whenever we make fajitas. And then the jalapenos, I'll probably freeze some, and I'm going to can some. And then the tomatillos, I might make another batch of salsa with some of the jalapenos. But I did want y'all to end on something, since my other part of my video didn't work. So I figure, well, why not end with how much stuff we actually got, so y'all can see kind of what's been going on during the summer. Now this might be the last big batch that we get, as we are now officially in July and things start slowing down because it starts getting hotter and hotter, which that's fine, because now we're probably going to start prepping for our winter garden, our fall and winter garden. But that's what we got for this time, guys. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.